Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Hello Miss Vidya as a pronunciation lecturer. My name is Kusum Khumairi. Today, I will try to pronounce 19 vowels, including 12 monophthongs and 7 diphthongs. And I start with 12 monophthongs. 1. E. Example, kick. I kick the ball. 2. Ear. Example, meet. Can we meet again? 3. Example, put. Put your name. 4. Ooh. Example, spoon. Can you eat with spoon? 5. Example, start. Don't start acting like that. 6. Example, come. Come on, you can do it. 7. Example, clock. The clock is right. 8. Example, talk. We talk on the phone. 9. A. Example, head. I shook my head. 10. A. Example, add. Can you add sugar? 11. Example, word. Can you spell this word? 12. Example, afraid. Are you afraid of the dog? Next, I will pronounce 7 diphthongs. 1. Ear. Example, near. Do you live near here? 2. A. Example, hair. She has dark hair. 3. A. Example, play. Can you play drum? 4. I. Example, try. I try to forgive you. 5. Oi. Example, coin. I've thrown a lucky coin. 6. Oh. Low. The lamp is too low. 7. Ow. Example, found. They found something. Thank you for your attention. See you.